Hey there, folks!
Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in home essentials.
Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen innovations with a product that's been making waves.
Linda's Essentials Silicone Stove Gap Covers. If you're tired of dealing with those pesky gaps between your stove and countertop, you're in for a treat.
Let's jump right in. Linda's Essentials Silicone Stove Gap Covers are designed to be the ultimate solution for closing the gap between your stovetop and countertop.
Made from high-quality silicone, these gap covers are not only heat-resistant but also incredibly durable, ensuring they stand the test of time in your kitchen.
First off, let's talk about safety.
These gap covers are heat-resistant, giving you peace of mind while cooking.
Installation couldn't be simpler.
These covers sit perfectly in place on all stovetops, and the non-slip flexible silicone conforms to your stove and counter surfaces. Customization is key, and these covers can be easily cut to size using scissors to fit your specific stove dimensions. Cleaning is a breeze with their anti-dust and smudge-resistant design. Simply wipe clean with a damp cloth or toss them in the dishwasher for even easier maintenance. Designed for longevity, these gap covers are built to withstand daily wear and tear, ensuring your kitchen stays spotless and clean for years to come.
And there you have it, folks. Linda's Essentials Silicone Stove Gap Covers are truly the best oven space gap filler on the market.
With their unbeatable combination of safety, durability, and ease of use, these covers are a game-changer for any kitchen. So why wait? Say goodbye to those unsightly gaps and hello to a cleaner, more organized cooking space with Linda's Essentials Silicone Stove Gap Covers.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy cooking!